Hello, this is Kevin Taylor, Spa Pasadena. This is a little video about our upcoming workshop, Detox Weight Loss. I've been doing detox and weight loss for years, tried many of them. I particularly like this one because it will give you a physiological improvement, blood sugar, cholesterol, blood pressure. It's saying, you can't assume elimination, you have to facilitate elimination, and this really does get out a lot of junk from the body that was stored in your fat that didn't leave the first go around. It can leave now, and you get more energy from this one because you're actually liberating fat. It's not just water loss where then you rehydrate afterwards. This is ideal for those who are having constipation. It's ideal for anybody who has gout. Gout is just too much uric acid. You're just not clearing your uric acid. This is good for allergies. It took care of my adult onset allergies. You don't have too much allergies. You're just not clearing your histamines. This is great for females, any endocrine issues, estrogen stuff. You have excess estrogens because you're not clearing your estrogen. So this is great for all those folks. It's available in our next workshop, and we'll see you then.